Yotsuke. Seiza. You kneel down with your left, followed by your right, hands on your lap. Mokso. Mokso means close your eyes. Just free your mind and meditate. Slowly breathe in. Then slowly breathe out. Slowly breathe in. And slowly breathe out. Mokso yame. It means open your eyes slowly. Before you start, you bow to your teacher. Sensei, Rei. Then right, then say Os. Then right, then left. After that, Kirets, it means stand up. Stand up with your right, followed by your left. In a Kyotsuke or attention position. Then you bow to say Os. Okay, then Yoi. Yoi means prepare. We go for the kicks. This is called Maigeri or front kick in a standing position. First, lift your right foot up, like this. Okay? Toes up. Then when you kick, show me your ball of the foot, this part of your foot. One. This is called koshi, this part of your foot. Point straight, pull it back, then down. Then, the other side. Up, point, kick, pull it back, down. The other leg, up, kick, point, pull it back, down. Try to do balance. Then other leg again. Then point, the ball of the foot, kick, pull it back, down. Now we're gonna do 10 times. Full speed, full power in a standing position. Ready? H, just go straight and kick. Ni, just go straight and kick. San, shi, go, ro, sich, hach, ku, here. Okay, now I'm going to do a side view position so that you can see my kick straight. Side view position, same technique. Front kick. Okay, again. All the way. Right leg. H, E, San, Shi, Go, Ro, Sich, Hach, Ku, here. Okay, that's it. Kyotsuke. Seiza. Mokso. Mokso yame. Sensei, Rei. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Kirets. Kyotsuke. Rei. Os.